Good morning, guys. So like today I woke up, man, and it's so windy. I mean, like last night it's even dark, bruh. Come to me. Like it's so windy. Like I woke up this morning. Okay, yesterday was also windy, but it was not this bad. Like it's so windy. Like you cannot even see anything. You can't even see anything through the window. Yeah, give us lighting. Give us lighting. Give us lighting, please. Help us. Is that helping? Yo, guys. Let me show you guys what's going on. Let me show you. Can you guys even look at yo? The wind is so strong. Can you guys even see anything? It's so dusty outside. Our poor net. This is how it looks from this side. Our poor plant. Can you guys even see anything? Because I can't. And look at how dusty the table is. My sister even wrote her name. The table is so dusty. Everywhere is dusty. There's dust everywhere. And you guys know what is the funny part? I swept the house this morning. But just look. Look, my poor niece's chair. Look how dusty it is. This is so sad. And I swept the house this morning. Semi, what is happening? What's going on? And look at our poor TV stand, bruh. It's hectic. Like, yo. And now this is the kitchen. Everywhere is dusty. Guys, I want to show you the bathroom. But I don't know if you guys are ready for this, because the bathroom is the worst part. Let me show you. Can you guys see? I don't know if you guys can see, but there's dust everywhere. I even tried to, play it smart. I put I put something here to block the wind from coming in and the dust from coming in, but that's not helping. Because it's just, look, it's not even helping. It's not helping at all. You guys, it's my niece for me. She's trying to sweep out the dust. Good girl. Semi. Are you sweeping? Sweep out, Musta. Sweep. Right now the time is it's 9 o'clock, right? So I don't know, maybe during 1 or 2 in the afternoon it will get better, but I don't know, because there's so much dust in the house. And the funny part is I woke up this morning and then I cleaned, but everywhere I clean it's still dusty, so I feel like I should just leave it, and when the dust settles, then I should clean only when it settles, because I cleaned in the morning and then it got dusty again. So me cleaning again, it will get dusty again. So I just feel like I should just leave it, and then when the dust settles, then I should clean the house officially. Something like that. Just wanted to share with you guys this experience. Yeah, and it's not just in our town. It's all over Namibia right now. So I'll do a checkup. I'll come back to you guys after a few hours, and then we'll see if it's still the same or if it got worse. Cause child, it's bad. Bye, guys. For now, guys, we decided to come to the room cause the sitting room and the kitchen are too, like, it's too dusty, and with that it comes to the room, because the room is a little bit better. But let me show you guys how it looks outside from, like, through the windows from the room. You guys, the wind even like tore our net. Look. Guys, something bad just happened. Like, our roofs, like the first layer of the ceiling is gone. Like, they are literally like, there's only like one layer. I don't know how you call it, but it's like there's only one layer left. I'm scared that the first layer is gone, so I'm scared the second layer will also go. And it's like, after the first layer went, there's so much sand in the house, guys. Like, I'm panicking. Hi guys, don't mind my hair, it looks a little bad, but I just wanted to update you guys. I started a vlog this morning, and then it was just like a normal day, like a normal windy day, and I was vlogging, and then after this bottom echoes, but I was just doing a normal vlog, and then it was so windy to the point that not like, I don't know how to explain it, but I think there's some, like, before you guys watch this part, there were some clips before that I was seeing how the first layer of our roof blew off or something. I don't know how to explain it. But the ceiling is, I'll show you guys when I go home. But currently right now we are staying in a flat for a few days until our roof get fixed. But I'll show you guys what I'm talking about, because I cannot explain it properly. But so our roof, right? Our roof, like the ceiling is still there, but like the first layer of the roof is off. If that's making sense. I'll get back to you guys.